Yeah, look at this. There are swinging cars around with diggers. That's it, he just drove over the other car he put there with the digger. But yeah, we just thought we'd bring you along today. If you have never been to anywhere like this before, what an old school scrapyard is actually like. Because they're actually the best place in the world.
It's amazing.
Oh, must be 10 years? Yeah, you do. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. And today, we're in the best place in the friggin' world.
Yeah, I like pigs and shit here, aren't we?
Yeah, me and Andy are like pigs and
Down there, look.
literally. In a proper old school
Scrappy.
It's absolutely sick, this place. I've been coming here for years and years. Anything you need on your own car and anything like that. Look at it. It's just pure. Just the sickest place in the world.
They sell you anything from a nut, a bolt, to a, you know, half a car.
Yeah.
Whatever.
And he's a really nice man. Sometimes
he
just gives you stuff like, just take that, I'm not charging you for that. So today, what we're looking for is a rear axle on something. So this is an old Corsa. I'll say old, 59 plate. It's not even an older one. It's Corsa C. It is.
Here's another Corsa. We said it's a Corsa. Basically, we said, you know, what's best for us here, like, you know, we're doing this. He said there's a Corsa up in the air. There's 3 Corsas here. I'm assuming he means the C because it's the oldest. There's even a ladder here if you want a ladder.
We're not going to tell you where this place is because we don't know if you should be. Yeah, I don't know how legal it is, as in like being let to walk around places like this. So we're not going to tell you where that is. This is our secret. Yeah. And if you know, you know. Yeah. Don't tell anyone. Well, don't tell we told you. But yeah, so what we're after is a rear axle for the show. We're literally just going to do a bit of a competition. Yeah. It'll have probably already been out this, but you know, the idea behind it is for the competition. Fastest person to remove and put back a wheel back on is going to win a toolbox. But it's literally just a case of standing position. See if we can get stuff. Well,
are we going to go with the Corsa C?
I think so. It's going to be smallest and lightest, isn't it? Yeah. No point in getting fucking dead everyone.
Cheapest for him as well.
Yeah, because it's old.
Yeah. Exactly. Let's get the tools over here then, because we've left it here.
Oh yeah.
It's towing nice there. No dash.
Right, so this one here just does a bit of a thing on how rough this place actually is. Someone's obviously wanted an engine mount, so they've just took the engine mount and just let the engine at the windscreen. Simple as that.
Yeah. We went to the gearbox, I think. The gearbox is gone.
Oh yeah, with the gearbox, yeah. Funny, it is funny. Oh. Best place ever.
Yeah. Just how you to remove stuff in here.
Yeah.
There's the brake lines off.
Pipes, cables, what are you on about?
Get it all off there. All we need is the shock off and then bolts off and it's off.
It's that good, isn't it? Like,
it's the best place in the world, man. And we can clean all this off when we get to the unit. We'll see what we're doing with it. See how tidy we make it look. But so while we're on the subject of scrapyards, a lot of you thought this should have been in one. So one thing we've never done is a history check on it. So we're going to do one today using Vehicle Score. So Vehicle Score is your one-stop shop to checking your car's history. So you can find out things like if it's on finance, if it's categorised or it's stolen. So this is all really good information to know if you're buying a car. So don't just buy it, Vehicle Score it. So what you've got to do is enter the reg, which is Kilo 396 Delta Kilo Victor, and hit check car. That'll give you a score out of 999. So it's 335, which I would say was bad. It says it's below average, but it is an old car. It's 32 years old. It's got 115,000 miles on the clock. Average yearly miles, 3,500. And it says that MOT comments are very high, but it's been off the road for 10 years, so, you know, I don't know how well you could go off that. And so as we scroll down, we've got the instant history reports, which is the really important bit. This is the bit where it'll tell you if your car's been stolen, if it's been scrapped, if it's on finance, if it's had any mileage rollbacks, check the VIN number, and all sorts of stuff like that. Right, so now we're going to buy the Ultimate Plus package, And don't forget to put in the promo code TVR20 to save yourself 20%. So it'll generate the report, and this is where we'll find out all the key information to see if it's a good vehicle. So as you can see, it's all green ticks, which is a really good report, and it's only had 2 previous owners. Right, so that's all looking good, to be honest. It's better than I thought. And the key things to be checking here is it's not stolen, it's not a categorised vehicle, and most importantly, there's no outstanding finance on it. As you don't own the vehicle, it can be repossessed at any time and you just lose all your money. So if you want to help out the channel, don't forget to do a check on your own car and let us know what score you got, or if you found any hidden gremlins. Do you know what? I watched you do that in there. Fool me right up. So I want to say a massive thank you to Vehicle Score for sponsoring today's video. So another way to help out the channel and cancer research is to visit feelgoodcompetitions.com, where you can buy tickets with the chance to win an RS5, there's a couple of watches, there's an OBD11 bundle, a merch bundle, and use code TVR10 at checkout to save yourself 10% off. Just scratching the bonnet, man.
You still get money for him. I reckon he'd sell you his missus if you had the chance.
Oh yeah.
And the kids and the dog. Well, yeah, there's not many places left in the world where you can come and do stuff like this. Ratchet it, isn't it?
Yep.
You did about 3 seconds of ratchet him and the battery died. Good start. Do the other one first, it might
yeah, just trying to get it safe, otherwise double the spring on the side now.
Whilst he's doing that, I'll give you a little walkabout. It's just boss. Car after car after car for just pure coolness, like.
You missed the shot there.
What?
You missed the shot.
Ah, the spring fell out the hole.
Both of them did. They shot down. Springs went out everywhere. It's these 2 nuts now.
Yeah.
Oh, bolts.
Bolts.
Nuts. And some bolts.
I hope he's got 2 wheels and studs, nuts, bolts.
Yeah, he did actually. Oh. Right, take that in, what's on the side?
Oh, have you got the nut that side? Oh,
Yeah.
okay. Oh, good, do that there. This is the sketchy bit though, because once we whack these bolts out, it's going to want to fall, and it's probably a bit heavy.
Oh, look, down to zone, isn't it? Easy.
Where's the other nut gone?
I'm on these.
So yeah, this is all we need. We're literally going to clean it all up, get rid of all the crap off it. We just literally need to mount something to that to hold it up about the AI, just so the wheels can be bolted on and off. And then we'll paint it so people's hands don't get dirty at the show and stuff, because they're probably going to be in the nice clobber.
Yeah. Right.
Me and him are probably going to be in nice clobber as well.
How long
So
is
probably
that
won't look like this. What?
How long is that on there?
Nearly 13 minutes.
Basically, without the charm, 10 minutes to get an axle off.
Yeah. When the car's on the roof.
Yeah, chopping up.
Meep, meep. Done. 4 bolts.
Let's have a look at this place.
Yeah.
I haven't been here for a few years.
Oh, I've literally not been here.
It's amazing. Oh,
Must be 10 years. Yeah, you do that as well. That's why it's probably not illegal, because you can bang your head. No hard, that's involved.
no.
I mean, I'm surprised he's turned up with glasses on his head, to be honest.
That was just it. Oh, I did bars as well, didn't I? Didn't put them on.
No.
That was for that. So,
Oh, yeah.
we'll take the tools back now, see what he wants for it, see if he's got 2 wheels and the wheel nuts.
Yes.
And then we'll come back and grab the axle.
The wheel bolts, they left them inside the car for us. So we go and find 2 matching wheels. And so we can have it for 40 quid, cheap.
Full axle on wheels.
So we managed to get 2 wheels and tyres. And a full axle.
And the plastic clip for the Range Rover wire,
yeah.
someone mentioned
yeah,
once.
yeah. And the plastic clip for... I'm knackered carrying that axle.
Yeah.
The plastic trim that runs covers me wiring loom at the top of the engine bay, just underneath the bulkhead. There's one in here, so he said I can have it. So basically got all that for 40 quid. Plus the plastic trim. Yeah, cheap that, isn't it? ruined is that there bit. Voila.
We're going to turn that into a fun game.
Yeah. Just need a 10 mil. So yeah, you don't get ladders or nothing like that, you just get whatever bits of you can find to get up on stuff. I'll try and get a shot for you now. I'm just swinging the car around. I'll dig it. Yeah, look at this. We're all swinging cars around with diggers. And it's dead boss.
You got the two outside bits. You just need the middle, you need it all.
I think I need it all. Because I don't know how it clips on. That's it, he's just drove over the other car he put there with the digger. When we used to come here, back in day, it must have been, I mustn't have been here for a good 10 years, easy, surely. So everything we were messing with were like Mark 1, Mark 2 Clios and stuff like that. Now they've got cars in here that you think, ah, it's new to be in here, that. Definitely.
That bit?
In my head I thought it was longer than that. Must be it.
Have a look at the video if you want, quick, on your phone. Your last stream.
But yeah, that's all I needed really for the Range Rover. Just the wide and wires on top, not much. But yeah, we just thought we'd bring you along today, just for you to see, if you have never been to anywhere like this before.
Takes you back, doesn't it?
What an old school scrapyard is actually like. Because they're actually the best place in the world. So we'll literally just let that dry and then we'll paint it all up so it's like not rusty. People aren't going to get dirty hands while they're there. Right, so basically we're going to build some sort of like A-frame-ish something just to keep it off the floor but still low down, so it's like changing a wheel on a car or a van or whatever.
Right, so we've got it on a stand. We're just going to give it a quick spray now, mainly to make it look acceptable and so it doesn't get brake dust on everyone's hands. Don't want anyone complaining. Good enough. Huh, brand new. There you go, spanker. You know, here's one we prepared earlier. You come on, Blue Peter, mate. So I think I'm on Blue Peter. Right, so we're just going to weld in a support for this before we get it all painted up. Let me move that paint, just in case you knock it. Tack the tops of them.
What?
Tack the tops of them so they can't move. And then just put a big baz on them, them other bits. Big doozy blob on there.
Doozy blob.
Right, so we're just going to get it painted up now. Tidy little bits up and get it painted up, and then we'll show you what it looks like.
Right, so this is literally pretty much the last little bit to paint. I'm not going to go crazy with it because there's no point. Once the show's over and done with, it's probably going to get freaking lashed, but
I'll do the inside just in case they grab there. Paint.
Slide off. Same as I'll do there as well then.
Right.
Yeah, that's literally, that's about it. A little bit of thinners on the tyres there just to clean the tyres up a little bit. But other than that, that's how she's sitting. The little frame we've built there is literally just so the wheel stays off the floor. If you are coming to the show and you do want to have a go with this, the rules are, buzz the nuts out with the buzz gun, put the wheel in a box that we're going to put on the floor, and get the other wheel and get it on. You've got to thread the nuts in with your fingers so far then you can buzz them up, just so we don't get people buzzing them up straight away and destroying some of the threads. But yeah, simple as that. It's free. You haven't got to give us anything to do it. You can just come, have a go. You write your time down and your name on the board. And by what we're saying, by...
So, I don't know, we'll work it out the time, but we'll give you like 5 PM, dead, like, you know.
Yeah, deadline.
And this is your prize, whoever's the quickest.
Whoever's got the fastest time, 100-piece socket set. Halford's advanced, so it's like lifetime warranty, innit? Yeah.
Break any of them, you send it back to Alford to get a new one.
But yeah, simple as that. Just a little bit of something fun for us to do with you and just interact a little bit, really. That's all. That's literally the sole purpose of it. And nothing too major.
Getting lanyards made.
We've got lanyards made as well, Transformotion. Basically have that up there on the wall, printed on these.
Do you reckon we give the people that enter one? There's not going to be more than 100 people enter, is there? So that's going to have the Transformotion on. And we'll give them away as well.
Model it, lad.
Bloody hellfire.
Anyway, yeah, that's the crack with that. And we are going to have our own little stand there as well, so we've got a gazebo. We've got big, massive Transformotion flags, so you'll see 2 of them stood up.
You'll see Matt's Range Rover on the trailer.
Yeah, that'll be there on the trailer. We'll have the taxi there, and we'll have, you can't see my Range Rover, it's over there somewhere. So yeah, you can come down, you can have a look at that. Right, so yeah, there's the game, there's the prize, there's Andy, and here's me.
What's the prize, innit?
No.
So if I'm the fastest, do I get the tools?
No, we're not included. It's just that, see if you can beat our time. So if you like today's little video and coming to the scrapyard with us, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, leave us a comment.
You can also follow us on Instagram and TikTok.
And we'll see you on Saturday if you're coming. I love doing a little shit like that sometimes because it's probably puts you off guard, like, I was expecting that.